Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is November 28, 2023. Here is another daily analysis. We had, I should say, sad news for the market in overall. Charlie Munger, who was the right hand for Warren Buffett's right hand, and he was like his best friend, his colleague. Now, after 99 years old, he just passed away today. Rest in peace, Charlie, and hope everything is going well with his family. He was a great guy. His comments actually are very, very famous in the industry. If you just look up the codes for Charlie Munger, you will learn a lot, especially from his codes and from his type of investment. Let's start with our usual daily analysis. S&P 500 daily chart. We had another pause day today, so it's kind of like market is just doing a sideways consolidation and nothing more since last 3-4 days. And I should say market is just poised for another possible scenario, just another small move to the upside. I should say very, very limited one. However, I'm just still looking for a corrective move to here to downside to 4,500 area, and even deeper corrective move somewhere around a 4,470 or even 4,400. That would be kind of like the best ideal scenario for the next rally into year end or Santa Claus rally, whatever you want to call it. But this pattern would be a fantastic bullish pattern. If market gives us another opportunity for alongside, we will jump on board. I'm just looking for a corrective move to the downside. So I'm not gonna be buyer. I keep all my long positions, and also I just add some short positions to my subscribers. Actually, they know that already what I announced for them. But this type of pattern is just consolidation prior the months of December. Usually first week or 10 days of months of December could be kind of like a neutral to the bearish one. But after a 15, I should say December 13th, December 15th, market is getting back to the bullish momentum. And that could be kind of like a good buying scenario for us for a Santa Claus rally. All right. Momentum wise, we are just getting again into a bear reversal. It's kind of like a flat. MACD is sharply coming down while price is just consolidating. So I don't know if it's gonna just give us a sell signal after 2-3 days later, or it's gonna just start tomorrow. I don't know exactly, but I should say a market is pretty fragile right now. If you want to get into long position, just wait, because market will give you a chance. For sure, market will give you a chance. Even if we see another spike to the upside, market eventually will have a corrective move to the downside. And whenever we get a corrective move, stochastic oversold condition, that would be kind of like the good buying opportunity for a market. SPY just traded 61 million, which is still light volume for S&P 500. Usually anything less than 80-90 million is going to be a light volume. So light volume, as you know, favors the market to the upside. Moving on to Nasdaq, which was kind of like a positive today. So early session Nasdaq just had a sell-off. But after that, so just the later, or I should say last 2 hours of the trading session, Nasdaq just getting back to the upside momentum and just getting close above 16,000. So right now we are trading at 16,004. This is a nice bullish consolidation. However, momentum is very, very falling. So when we see some kind of like a bearish momentum like this, RSI is kind of like a flat, stochastic already bear reversal, but price doesn't go anywhere. This means like even if we see this consolidation breakout to the upside, that could be kind of like a capitulation, or I should say exhaustive move, exhaustive move to the upside just for a stop hunting and then coming down. So the best scenario is going to be somewhere around 15,600. That's going to be the first stop. And I should say the deeper corrective move somewhere around 15,400 to 15,300. That could be kind of like the ideal scenario for the correction for Nasdaq. Still looking for that type of buying opportunity. I kind of like a confident that this correction is coming very, very soon, because Later, when I get to the semiconductor, which is coming soon, I will let you know about my analysis of that one. Moving on to Dow Jones, which was positive today. So Dow just hit a higher high. As I said, Dow is strong, and when Dow is leading, market will lead to the bleed. So just be careful on that one, because money is just flowing out from technology, heading to some defensive heavy value names. And that's why Dow is just outperforming. So this is kind of like the bearish channel. As long as we are in this channel, we can go up. But as soon as we break down, I should say, a sharp corrective move is coming. Level that I'm just looking at for the first downside target is going to be a 34,700, but below that it's going to be a 34,400. That could be kind of like the possible scenario for the Dow Jones. Momentum wise, we are just getting a bear reversal today. I should say yesterday, but today we got kind of like a bullish price action, so momentum still holding off for now. But I should say, if we get a bear reversal, that could be kind of like a spiky or acceleration to the downside to somewhere around 34,400. Moving on to gold, which had a fantastic move to the upside today, almost above 1%. It's getting close to 2041. What a surge. So gold, as I said, gold and gold miners, they will head to the upside in the next few months. And this is just the beginning. I should say a corrective move is coming. And the next corrective move would be another buying opportunity for even new all-time high. So if monthly candle close above 2100, which is going to be next 2 days, then we should see gold is heading to new all-time high. There is no roof on the top, and gold can go higher and higher. So I should say this pattern is within a bigger time frame, which is a monthly pattern. And if you see the monthly chart, this is very, very bullish. Like last October, we just have followed through November. And also if we see a December, January, February, usually it's going to be a bullish month for gold. Gold can hit a 2000, I should say 2200, 2300 next few months. But right now in the daily chart, we should see some kind of like it is overstretched, overbought, but we can see some more movement to the upside, a potential just testing this double top or kind of like all-time high, and then it can come back to the downside to 2200 to 2000 2050, I should say, for the next rally to the upside. Right now it's 2042, so it can just hit to 2100, then coming back to 2050 and getting ready for the next momentum to the upside. Momentum wise, look at that. So it's pretty sharp move to the upside. However, there is a divergence here between these two pivots. However, RSI doesn't confirm that, so we just ignore this divergence for now. Moving on to crude, which had a positive day. So crude is just getting back to the bullish momentum. I should say crude can get some bullish action next 2-3 days, because if I just show you here 4 hours chart, this is pretty nice. So we should see some kind of like a breakout. If it breaks out above $80, I should say. So just keep an eye on $80. If we get above $80, any pullback could be a great buying opportunity for 84 and 88. So this is going to be the level that I'm looking at for crude. Right now, crude is just at the beginning of this breakout. So we see this is a low, this is a higher low, this is another higher low. We are just getting to this nice triangle pattern. And this triangle pattern just forms at the bottom of this. We are just getting to $72, $73, which is pretty important support area for crude. And right now, if we just get above 80, I should say 82, that would be kind of $80. That would be kind of like the great buy signal for $88 crude. And after that, I'm not sure, because it can just going back down again. So short term, there is going to be a possible scenario for a bullish action for crude. Moving on to individual names, starting with yield. Yield crashed today. So as I said, as soon as we get engulf this at 4.8. We are coming down, and sure enough, we had nice crash today for yield. Yield can just have a hiccup at 4.63%, but ultimately I'm looking for a 4.42 to 4.50 as like a good support here. If it doesn't hold this area, it can go all the way to 4.25%. So lower yield means rate is gonna go down, and lower yield actually just to put some good momentum for TLT, which we had a positive day for TLT. Not spicy price action though. So yield just smashed, but TLT didn't go higher that much. Even after hours, it goes up a bit, but not that much. So we are just getting close to some kind of like important pivotal point. So this is very, very important level. 92 to 94 is very, very important for treasuries. And if it gets above a 95, I should say the trend has been changed, and a pullback could be great buying opportunity for higher price on treasuries. Moving on to VIX, which was a negative today. And look at the price action. So it's kind of like a dragonfly, Gravestone doji. It was like a sharp move to the upside, 14, then coming back down to 12.69. If we have followed through with the green bar, I should say this is kind of like the bottom for VIX, short-term bottom, which is coming with a stock market corrective move to the downside. So we should see some kind of like follow through. If we get above $15, then we can see all of it up to $20 to $21. So that's going to be the end for VIX. I'm not expecting taking out this pivotal point. Moving on to Dixie, which is down today, coming along with yield. So Dixie is down, yield is down. That's why precious metals and treasuries actually went up. So Dixie is down, as I said. This pattern is kind of like forming the top. I'm not expecting Dixie is getting back to the top pattern here. So Dixie sub 100 is coming down the road. Moving on to Magma indicator, which is our technology index. So we had a pretty positive day for Magma. 0.76% to the upside, $9.08, another bad price action. Apple was a good leader today, getting back up 61 cents. However, if Apple goes down below, well, the bullish pattern is forming again. So market just very, very resilient to any corrective move. And Amazon as well, it's just a doji bar, 70 cents lots, but not bad price action overall. Meta, $4.29 up. So what a candle. So I just expect Meta is just rolling over down, but seems like it didn't. And today we had move to the upside. I don't know for tomorrow, but today we had a good move today. Microsoft, $4.09, new all-time high for Microsoft, another 1%. Microsoft is just rocking to the upside. Any pullback could be kind of like a 364 or 340. That could be good price for buy again. Google, another 79 cents up. Netflix, 17 cents down today. Not a bad price action. Tesla, 4% to the upside. This bullish consolidation. Just getting to the upside. Fantastic move. So Tesla is getting close to $250 to $55 price target that I have. And then after that, I should say, I don't know if we are just getting a rollover again to the low. So that would be kind of like a great buying opportunity. I was waiting for this last time. I didn't get into this. I got involved with a bull bear spread, and we just made good profit on it, to be honest, because Tesla had a fantastic move to the upside, and we just book our profit as well. So moving on to the lagger industry today, semiconductors, SMH 93 cents down. I should say when semi is wrong, there is something wrong, and you should just be careful about the market. Stocks as well, the same pattern, $3, 1 cent down, doji bar. Stocks can go all the way down to sub $500. Taiwan Semiconductor, 70 cents up today because of this. So Taiwan just reacted to this pivotal point, 96.61, and then rejecting back up. So this bounce can just be another selling opportunity, I should say, coming down to 91 to 92. AMD, 64 cents down. AMD is just dealing with this important sell zone here, which is going to be a supply zone. And right now, AMD is just getting back down. If it goes below 118, 116, then we should see a pullback as like a sell all the way down to here, 102. So that is very, very important for buyers. Just keep an eye on this. I'm going to have this level 108 and 102 as a good buying opportunity. NVIDIA, $4 down today. This bearish consolidation is forming right now. I like the pattern on the downside. So NVIDIA could be a potential for a next move to here to 430 to 440. So that's going to be the area that I'm looking at. Texas Instruments at 30 cents down up today. Not a bad price action. Texas seems like a capitulated here. We are just seeing this pattern for a next move to upside. I should say 164 to 168. That could be kind of like a targeting area for Texas Instrument. Lam Research, after the new all-time high yesterday, it goes down today. $12 down. I don't know if this is just nominal new all-time high then coming down, but this is pretty strong. Moving on to financials, XLF, nothing pretty much happened in this sector today. XLF just 1 cent down, struggling with this pivot. KBE 1 cent up. Good pattern here. So this is a good potential bull flag. KRE the same pattern here, 1 cent down. JP Morgan, pretty good price action. So this bull flag can end up to another rally, a potential to this top, which is going to be at 50, 156, 158. Goldman Sachs 6 cents down, good pattern here as well. So this bull flag can ended up another rally to 356. Bank of America 3 cents down, and Wells Fargo 35 cents up today. So banking sector actually were solid for now. GDX, what a move. So let's focus on this. I remember I was talking this. I'm really glad I just did the perfect timing on this. And sure enough, this is a great pattern here. We just had a strong move to the upside. GDXJ, GDX, GoldMiners break out fantastically. So 4% to the upside to the $1.43. Great buying opportunity triggered. And I should say this is going to be the minimum target for this. I know we have got some potential 32 hiccups, but after that, we should see a breakout all the way back there. So congratulations, folks, for those ones who got involved with this. GDXJ, the same pattern. This is a good, very, very good breakout. This one already broke up yesterday and today just followed through AEM. 5% to the upside. What a move. So let me just zoom back here. So you see that this is pretty solid here. So this candle, I should say, can go all the way up to $59, $60. NEM, 6% to the upside. NEM, what a breakout. So again, I should say these ones are pretty good. Even Franco-Nevada today had a fantastic move. I should say Franco-Nevada needs to get above a 122, 124. If we get above this, I should say this one can have like a this bearish wedge, and we should see a knee-jerk reaction all the way to 128, 130. That would be a fantastic hiccups, and then getting back to this area, which is going to be a 134, 136, even 138. So this is a Franco-Nevada as well. So all in all, gold miners are pretty bullish. Any pullback could be great buying opportunity. Gold Barrick, look at that, 5%, 5.25% to the upside. This one as well. So nice QM just form here. And we had a fantastic QM pattern. I don't know. Sometimes we just got the right timing, and this is one of those times. XLE today, just a 2% up, still weak here. XOP, 38 cents down. Energy stocks doesn't follow crude price, so that's why I'm kind of like suspicious about crude. OH, $1.39 down. Exxon, 6 cents down. Chevron, $1.15 up. Still, Chevron can have a knee-jerk reaction to 155 to 156, but after that, I'm not sure. So we will see how it goes. Again, the best sector, the best outperformer was gold miners. So congratulations for those ones who got involved. I'm really happy to just initiate that or post that video during weekend time that, hey, be careful on this. Make sure position yourself in some gold and gold miners because they are just about to break out. And today we just see the breakout. Okay, I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.